Hello friends, welcome to Creativity Master channel. The content of this video is coronavirus. As we know that due to coronavirus pandemic since March 2020, both in government and private recruitment are hold on. Of course, September onward, advertisements were published for government vacancies created in various departments, and accordingly, exam for recruitment of this vacant post is scheduled or to be scheduled. In this video, being a trending topic, we will discuss on coronavirus from objective content in a way that might refresh our mind and also help us to prepare ourselves for the upcoming competitive examination 2020. Let's start this video. Question number 1. What is coronavirus? It is a large family of virus belong to the nidovirus family. Next question. In which year the coronavirus was first detected? Answer is 1960. Next question. What is novel coronavirus? Answer is a novel coronavirus is a new coronavirus that has not been previously identified. Next question. Where did the term corona come from? The term corona is derived from the Latin word meaning crown. Next. Where the first novel coronavirus was first identified? Answer is Wuhan city. Next question. When the WHO officially announced the new coronavirus as COVID-19? Answer is February 11, 2020. Next question. Where the Wuhan city is situated? Answer is Hubei province of central China. Next question. When the WHO officially announced the new coronavirus as COVID-19? Answer is 11 February, I think February 11, 2020. Next question. What is the full form of COVID-19? Answer is CO stand for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, 19 for the year 2020-19. Next question. What is the full form of WHO? Answer is World Health Organization. Next question. What is the full form of CDC? The answer is CDC stand for Center for Disease and Prevention. Next. When did the WHO announce COVID-19 as a global health crisis? Answer is February 11, 2020. Next question. Who is the Director General of World Health Organization? Answer is Tedros Adhanom. Next question. Where the headquarters of WHO is located? Answer is Geneva, where Geneva is in Switzerland. Next question. What are the mild symptoms of novel coronavirus? The answer is fever, cough, sneezes, and shortness of breath. Next question. Are smokers at high risk of contracting the coronavirus disease? The answer is yes. Available research suggests that smokers are at high risk of developing severe COVID-19 outcome and death. Reason is that smoking any kind of tobacco reduces lungs capacity, and COVID-19 is an infectious disease that primarily attacks the lungs. Next question. Why did the virus got the name coronavirus? Answer is due to their crown-like projection. Next question. According to study, how long can the coronavirus survive on plastic and stainless steel surfaces? Answer is 72 hours or more. Next question. What is the most effective measure to remove coronavirus from hand? Answer is soap and water. By maintaining how much distance from other can minimize the spread of the coronavirus? Answer is 6 feet. What does the SARS-CoV-2 means? Answer is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. What is the incubation period of the coronavirus? Answer is 1 to 14 days. What is the name of the coronavirus test? Answer is RT-PCR. Name the country which first registered coronavirus vaccine. Answer is Russia. What is the name of the coronavirus vaccine registered by Russia? Answer is Sputnik V. Next question. In a study, which cell of human body are found in COVID-19 patient body for long-term immunity? Answer is T cell. T cells are known as immune warrior which help us to fight against virus. Name the coronavirus vaccine jointly developed by BioNTech and Pharmacant Pfizer. Answer is BNT162. BioNTech is a German company while Pfizer is a US-based pharmaceutical company. Next question. Name the critical trial in which blood is transfused from the COVID-19 recovered patient to the critical COVID-19 patient. Answer is plasma therapy. Next question. Which age group is comparatively high risk of developing severe COVID-19 disease? The elderly people over the 60 years of age are very high in risk. Next question. What is the full form of ICMR? Indian Council of Medical Research. Next question. When the first case of COVID-19 in India was reported? Answer is January 30, 2020. The first case of the COVID-19 in India reported was originated from China. What is the official name of the coronavirus as designated by WHO? Answer is SARS-CoV-2. Which organ of the human body does this coronavirus primarily attack? Answer is lungs. According to WHO, about what percentage of infected patients are recovered without needing hospital treatment? Answer is 80%. Next question. How much time will take a vaccine for the coronavirus to become available to the public? Answer is 1 year. On which day India observed a 14 hours voluntary public curfew, that is Janata curfew? Answer is 22nd March 2020. How much days India remain under phase 1 lockdown? Answer is 21 days. When the government of India declared the lockdown 1? Answer is 25th March 2020. My dear friends, this 3 question is very important so far the competitive exam is concerned. Those are from Assam. For them it's very important so far their upcoming competitive exam, PNRD, Assam Police, SI, Panchayat Secretaries and APSC. Due to coronavirus pandemic, how many days India was under total lockdown? Answer is 54 days. Next. When the first COVID-19 case was identified? Answer is 30th January 2020. Name the COVID-19 tracker apps that are launched by the government of India. Answer is Arogya Setu. In which state the first case of COVID-19 was found? Answer is Thrissur district of Kerala. When the Arogya Setu app was launched? Answer is 2nd April 2020. Next. Which Indian state first imposed lockdown? Answer is Rajasthan. Due to coronavirus, which state first declared full curfew? Answer is Punjab. Which Indian state first declared coronavirus as epidemic? Answer is Haryana. What was the reason behind the postponement of Tokyo Olympic? Answer is COVID-19. Who started the Operation Namaste to create awareness about coronavirus? Answer is the Indian Army. Name the app launched by the government of Punjab to create awareness about coronavirus. Answer is Cuba, Punjab. Next question. Name the new website which launched by the Google for awareness about coronavirus. Answer is google.com/COVID-19. Last question. Name the Indian company that developed a RT-PCR kit which has the ability to give out COVID-19 result in just 24 hours. Answer is Reliance Life Science. Reliance Life Science is a subsidiary of Reliance Industry. So in this video, total 50 question and answer is discussed. I hope that it will be very fruitful for the viewers. So the 2020 competitive exam is concerned. I also hope that this video will create awareness among us. I appeal to my viewers, if you think this video is informative and helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.